for monitoring when there's no Wi-Fi, no power outlets? Now you can with Reolink Go. 100% wire-free 4G rechargeable battery-powered camera. With weatherproof design, install and take Reolink Go just about anywhere with 4G LTE mobile network coverage. Remotely monitor your vacation home. Get security footage in and around your boat. Keep an eye on your job site. Protect your RV and campsite. Enjoy watching wildlife from the comfort of your home. On your farm, in the field, in places that are previously unreachable. Reolink Go comes with a long-lasting, rechargeable battery, so you don't have to change the battery every months. Recharge it via micro USB or connect it to Reolink solar panel for continuous power and fewer worries. Smart and instant PureMotion alerts on phone. One tap to get live view in 1080p Full HD. Sheds light on smallest details thanks to its advanced Starlight Night Vision. You can see, hear, and even talk back using free Reolink app. Always stay in the know in the palm of your hands. That's Reolink Go. No Wi-Fi, no power outlets, no cords, no wiring hassles. Your best wire-free portable security solution on the go. Reolink Go. 100% wire-free 4G rechargeable battery-powered security camera.